Hibiscus plant is a very growing plant, and if you don't prune its shoots, they will go laggy and hence no flowering after some time. So in this video, we will see how you can prune your hibiscus plant going step by step. We will also see why we need pruning, when to do it and much more. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pruning a plant simply means the trimming of its shoots. Sometimes this cutting is hard, where we cut all the branches of a plant, even for hibiscus plant. And one type is soft pruning, in which the younger shoots are trimmed a little bit. This provides a lot of benefits. All you need is a cutter and the right technique to do it. Pruning hibiscus plant have a lot of benefits. Major benefits include the more branching, bushier leaf growth, stronger immune system, lesser pest attack, more budding, and better and fullest flowering of hibiscus plant. Where we make a cut, the growing energy coming from the behind stops there, and it manifests itself by pushing even more branches from the following node area. And each new shoot means a new flower sooner or later. So overall, pruning a hibiscus plant is a very beneficial thing, and you should also give it a try. Pruning your hibiscus plant at the right time is the most important thing. Hibiscus plant can be pruned whenever you like. Just make sure the plant is producing some new leaves. Only a growing plant should be pruned. If hibiscus plant is under some kind of shock, like reporting shock, dormancy time, etc., in such times, the plant is not showing new growth, and pruning have no use at this stage. The plant won't show any new growth after you do the pruning. So what's the purpose of pruning? That's why it's important to prune hibiscus plant in its growing season, like in whole summers, but never in winters. A shocked plant shouldn't be pruned as well. And here you can also subscribe to our channel. Now let's know what's the right way to prune hibiscus plant. So first of all, you need a sharp cutter. You can buy one from the description box. If you already have one, then clean it with a disinfectant like hydrogen peroxide. You can also get one from the description below and rub it all over the blade of the cutter. And do this every time you prune a different hibiscus tree. It's important to stop the spreading of germs and diseases. Now choose the branch you wanna prune. Maybe your plant is out of shape, so just trim all the branches you feel not growing in a shape. But if the plant is already in a shape, you can just chop off the growing heads of all branches. Just 1 to 2 leaf sets from the top of a branch. You can also remove the dead and dried branches and leaves. For hard pruning, which is not done regularly, you can just cut the whole plant, leaving only a few inches of the main trunk. It's done when the plant is under a serious disease or pest attack, or when you wanna grow the plant again just from the main stem. The best time for this is springs only, so the plant has the whole summer season to grow. Following a correct technique, you can prune any kind of hibiscus plant, even a bigger tree. Just use a bigger and stronger pruner. After the pruning, one thing you can do is the fertilization. Plant uses nutrients to grow new branches, and by a fertilizer, plant tends to produce bigger and stronger stems and more buds and vibrant big size flowers. So for the fertilizer, you can use this homemade organic fertilizer. It's made for the flowering plants using simple kitchen based ingredients. Video on this is added in the description below. Make it and use every time you prune your hibiscus plant. There are also some do and don'ts of pruning your hibiscus plant that you should know about. First of all, hibiscus pruning should never be done in the off season or when the plant is not growing well. Always use a sharp and disinfected cutter to prune. Never make irregular cuts while cutting a branch. Spraying water over the cut part can trigger fungal diseases, maybe stem rot, etc. So be careful. It's all about pruning of hibiscus plant. Here is a detailed video on hibiscus plant growing tips. Feel free to follow and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.